Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing for this OnePlus 60. And as you can see, they have written a lot of stuff, and looks like this will be having that in-display fingerprint scanner. We have it over here, and this one is actually the 128GB variant, and this time they have changed it. In the earlier version of this is the OnePlus 6, we had the 64, 128 and 256, but here they start with 128, and there is also another variant that comes with 256 that'll have 8GB of RAM. This I believe still has 6GB of RAM. So let's quickly open this up and have a look. I don't have the exact Indian pricing as of now, but I'll add that when I have that in the description area. And I think so the pricing will be a little bit higher compared to the regular OnePlus 6, because this one now comes in that 128GB of storage. So the earlier one was 35, so I'm hoping that this one will be about what, I don't know, 37 or 38, let's see. Again, the new thing with this one is the in-display fingerprint scanner and that notch design, water drop design instead of the notch design. So that's what it is. So this comes out, as you can see, and in-display fingerprint scanner, it says to minimize the performance out, we recommend using the screen protector, it says. So yeah, the screen protector is actually pre-applied on this one. So that's what it is. And back again, no fingerprint scanner because it's in-display fingerprint scanner that we are having. And again, the camera setup is also dual. From the back, actually it's almost the same except the fingerprint scanner, as you can see. So it's the dual camera, and it's still that 16 plus 20 megapixel. So that's what it is. So let me keep this to the side. Many people were saying that 3 cameras and blah blah. That's not the case. So we still get this case in this, and it's a good idea to have put this case, because again, this is a glass bag, guys, so got to be careful with it. So nice to see they still give the case and some paperwork, I guess manuals and stuff. Presentation is actually nice on this. So that SIM ejector tool we get, safety and information, and regarding the in-display fingerprint scanner, they say unlock the speed, that's it. Some information and stuff about the device. So that's what it is. Get a lot more papers this time, and let me keep these things to the side for now. And we also have a thing called invitation letter. I don't know what it is. So yeah, we have to open this. So something, so always a pretty innovative, and they say 5 years old and a million stories. So still we have the dash charger, USB Type-C cable, and we also have a dongle because no headphone jack on this one, guys. They removed the headphone jack. I'm not happy with that, but yeah, you get this. Many people were thinking that they'll also bundle a USB Type-C headphones. That's not the case, just the dongle that you get in the box. So that's what we get in the box. So guys, here is the device itself, and from the front, as you can see, this is the old one. When we boot, we'll know the difference. Here this has the water drop design, so that's what it is. And let me give you a physical overview. On the top we have secondary noise cancellation microphone, and here we have the alert slider over here. So it's on this side. We have the power on off button, bottom vent for the speaker. No headphone jack, guys. That's the big thing that is missing. In the original OnePlus 6, as you can see, we had the headphone jack, but here it is sorely missing. I don't know why they did it, frankly speaking, but yeah, that's what it is. And here we have the volume rockers and the SIM tray. Again, it'll be the dual SIM nano, guys. And again, some people were expecting that we'll have a micro SD card slot expansion. No, that's not the case. So the biggest difference between this and the regular OnePlus 6 is in-display fingerprint scanner and that notch design. Those are the two big things that I would say that are different. So let me just power this on, and also it has face unlocking, in fact. So give me haptic feedback. And by the time it actually boots up and I set it up, let me give you a configuration overview. This OnePlus 60 is having a 6.41 inch Full HD Plus screen. It's an AMOLED screen and the 19:5:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by the Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor. It has Bluetooth 5 and NFC support. Moving to the camera, it's a dual camera setup. 16 megapixel is the main one that has optical image stabilization, and the secondary camera is a 20 megapixel. Moving to the front facing camera, it's a 16 megapixel with EIS, and it has a 3700 milliamp hour battery and that in-display fingerprint scanning. So guys, I have set up the device, and again, as you can see, that drop down notch design is there on this one, and because of that, actually they could fit in actually a 6.41 inch screen, though this in terms of dimension, it's almost the same as the OnePlus 6. So that's what it is. And let's also test the in-display fingerprint scanner. I'll disable the face unlocking, otherwise mostly it's using the face unlocking, but yeah, this is the in-display. As you can see, it works, but again, you have to be careful. For example, if you just put it half like this, it did work. Last time it didn't, but definitely it is an improvement. Again, we saw this one in Vivo, but this OnePlus has made it actually pretty fast, as you can see, this one. So yeah, finally in-display fingerprint scanner is fast enough, and I'll try to use it without the face unlocking, because face unlocking is very fast as like the OnePlus 6. Out of the box, it comes with Android P. Again, these are the quick toggles, and if you go over here, as you can see, if you go to about the device, it talks about SIM and all those things. And this is the 8GB RAM variant, not the 6.1 guys. This also has 128. There's also one more variant that will come with 256GB, I believe, and Android P, that is Android 9 that we are getting on this one. And again, almost stock like Android Experience Oxygen OS, that's what it is there. And they have said that they have refined this even further, but again, even the older versions of the OnePlus will be getting this Oxygen OS version. On left we have the OnePlus launcher and stuff like we have seen. So that's what it is. And some extra, two ways to go, swipe down on the screen, tap on black. So navigation and gestures are there, so that's what it is. Again, gesture based navigation that we are actually seeing on Android Pie, that's also there on this one. So that's what it is. And yeah, it takes a little bit of while to get used to it, but that is there on this. So now let's look at the camera. They say they have improved the camera, but let's have a look. Again, it's a 16 megapixel main one that has optical image stabilization, and the secondary is a 20 megapixel one. And again, looks like 1x 2x that we have software based is doing that. And we also have that portrait mode. So as you can see, depth effect that you're getting. So it's not a 2x lens, it's just a 1x lens, the secondary one, as you can see. And let me actually show you some sample shots so that you get a better idea. But before that, here is a word from the sponsor of this video, that is Mevi.in.
Mevi Thunderbeat Bluetooth earphones look stylish with metallic body. You can take phone calls and it supports passive noise cancellation. The ear hooks fit securely and stay in place even when you are working out or running. With Qualcomm CSR Bluetooth IC, the music quality is amazing and has great battery life. It has HD stereo sound with super solid bass. It supports aptX codec with lossless wireless audio. Use coupon code Geekyranjit15 at Mevi.in to get 15% discount on all Mevi products. See link in the description below for more info.
So here are some of the sample shots shot with the OnePlus 60 in artificial lighting conditions in my office, and here as you can see, it's actually doing a decent job even in artificial lighting conditions. This is a close-up and it did fine, and again this was in the portrait mode, and here it struggled a little bit, so have to check how it does in very low lighting conditions. But in outdoor conditions, as you can see in my roof garden, the pictures actually came out really good, and again look at this, dynamic range was also good, and also in terms of close-up shots like this, they came out good. And here are quick samples with the front facing camera of this OnePlus 60. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and a first look at this OnePlus 60. So anyways, what do you guys think about this OnePlus 60? Do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be posting more videos around this OnePlus 60. So if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.